Discover BR Fry, Bralix's first ventless and odorless deep fryer. This countertop equipment was designed with its own air filtration system and can bring high-quality food from out under the hood space in kitchens. It helps food businesses like convenience stores, bars, food kiosks, portable kitchens, and more bring a better variety of superior dining options without installing an overhead ventilation. BR Fry minimizes staff requirements and preparation time while maximizing cooking capacity and efficiency. This way, you can increase your customer base, sales, and profit. Its powerful electrical system results in a quick temperature recovery, and that way allows you to cook your orders in minutes and always offer them warm and crispy to your customers. Furthermore, it has an excellent safety system with an integral fire suppression, and it was designed to have no exposure or contact with the hot oil by the operator during the frying process. The BR Fry electric deep fryer was developed to uncomplicate your frying. In addition to frying up to 1 kilogram per batch, it has 10 preset recipes, and the operator can pre-program up to 30 different recipes into the electronic system. So simply load the drawer, set up one of the preset recipes, and activate. In just a few minutes, BR Fry dispenses the food, perfectly fried, no need to check or shake the fryer basket, saving time and work. BR Fry fries fresh and frozen products, breaded or not, such as chicken strips, chicken wings, mozza sticks, corn dogs, french fries, nuggets, onion rings, and much more. There is no limit on the possibilities that can generate greater profits for you. BR Fry combines quality with economy and efficiency. Get in touch and learn more details.